So I think first thing is get outside as much as you can. Bright light, daylight as much as you can. Within the first half an hour that you're awake, if you can go outside, and even if it's just for 15 minutes and look outside, get sunlight. If you don't have sun, just even daylight is bright enough. This is the first signal that your brain needs to start your circadian rhythm, start your metabolism, start everything working for you. And start your day. And this sets up for a very, very successful night if you kind of in the evening stop the lights.
Mm.
So what you want, as you want to be awake, you want bright lights, especially natural light. And in the evening, you want as little light as possible. Ideally, candle lights is what you want in your house 2, 3 hours before you sleep, because melatonin is activated by darkness. So you
Mm.
want your melatonin to be produced naturally. To produce naturally, you have to see bright light in the morning and you have to restrict light in the evening.